Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is collaborate. Collaborate is a C1 level verb that means to work jointly on an activity or project, especially to produce or create something. In simpler terms, it's about working together with others to achieve a common goal. You'll often hear it used in professional settings, but it's also applicable to many everyday situations. Now, let's explore some synonyms for collaborate. A common synonym is cooperate. For example, the police cooperated with the FBI to solve the case. Another synonym is team up. You might hear someone say, the two companies teamed up to develop a new software. We also have partner. The university partnered with a local hospital for research. Another synonym is unite. The community united to rebuild the park after the storm. And lastly, conspire, while sometimes carrying a negative connotation, can also simply mean to plan or act together, though it's important to be mindful of the context. For example, the children conspired to throw a surprise party for their mother. Now, let's look at antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of collaborate. One antonym is compete. For example, the two companies compete for market share. Another is oppose. The senator opposed the new bill. Another antonym is resist. The protesters resisted the government's policies. Another is obstruct. The company tried to obstruct the investigation. And lastly, hinder. The heavy rain hindered our progress. How can you use collaborate in everyday life? Well, imagine you're working on a group project at school. You could say, we need to collaborate effectively to get a good grade. Or, if you're planning a surprise party with friends, you might say, let's collaborate on the decorations and the cake. In a professional context, you might hear someone say, our team needs to collaborate more closely with the marketing department. You can also use it when discussing creative endeavors. For instance, the artist collaborated with the musician to create a unique multimedia experience. Here are some more examples of collaborate in sentences and phrases. The scientists are collaborating on a groundbreaking research project. The two authors collaborated to write a best-selling novel. The design team collaborated to create a user-friendly interface. The software engineers are collaborating on the development of a new app. The musicians collaborated on a song that topped the charts. The schools collaborate to provide better resources for students. The governments collaborated to address the global crisis. They collaborate well together on most things. We need to collaborate more effectively as a team. It's crucial that all departments collaborate effectively. The success of this project depends on our ability to collaborate. The project required the team to collaborate closely. Our goal is to collaborate and create something amazing. The key to success is to collaborate with others. It's important to collaborate with people from different backgrounds. Let's collaborate to find a solution to this problem. The partnership allows us to collaborate on future projects. We are collaborating with other organizations to achieve our goals. The international community needs to collaborate on environmental issues. The artists collaborate to showcase their work at the gallery. In summary, collaborate means to work together, and it's a crucial skill in many aspects of life, from school projects to professional endeavors. We've also explored some synonyms like cooperate, team up, partner, unite, and conspire. And we looked at antonyms like compete, oppose, resist, obstruct, and hinder. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Now for a little call to action. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn new words. And now I have a little challenge for you. I wanted to create your own sentence using the word collaborate and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep learning and keep expanding your vocabulary.